Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar hauls and reviews. On my channel you can find lot of hauls and reviews. Under hauls I do have lot of clothing hauls, makeup hauls, skincare, accessories, lot of, you name it, and mostly I have it. And under review section I do have reviews for makeup, skincare, as well as comparison of two products and all. Like I do have lot of reviews as well. And on my channel you can find each and every videos under particular playlist. So if you are looking out for some particular comparison, you can directly go to the playlist of comparison of products, and you can directly watch all the videos under that. Also I do have new launch product playlist. Even you can go to that particular playlist, you will be having all the new launches in one playlist itself. Alright, and if this is what you are looking out for, then yes, you are at the right place. Please do consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, you can definitely follow me on Facebook as well as on Instagram. The links of the same will also be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well. Now from the thumbnail, from the title, y'all must have got a little bit of idea that I am going to review actually a perfume set. That is a rollerball perfume set from Iba Halal. Y'all must be aware of Iba Halal. This is the bill. Y'all can see this is the bill. Over here my address is there, so that is why. And like I have paid the money. It is not at all a sponsored video. I got this product by my own money, not a sponsored video. Okay, I got this basically directly from Iba Halal's website. Y'all can see they sent me this perfume set in this kind of like it was a plastic wrap, and this is the packaging. That is like whatever you call thermocol packaging. This is the packaging just to keep the perfumes intact, and as well as they have sent me this Iba Fairness Cream sachet free. Okay, so this is what they have sent me, and that particular the perfume set they sent in this kind of bubble wrap. So this is just the briefing about the packaging. This was the bill. Now we will talk about individual perfume. Each and individual perfume comes in this kind of packaging. Okay, basically I have ordered the full set. You can buy this individually also. The individual will be costing you around 299 rupees, that is for 300 rupees. And if you buy all the four together, these are the four. I will show you the packaging of individual. These are the four. If you buy all four together, then it will cost you around 897 rupees. So around 25% you will be saving. So this is the four. Okay, the first one is raindrops. This is there or in this, like this particular fragrance they had earlier also. I'll show you the difference between the earlier and the recent one, because I do have the earlier one as well. So this is the raindrops one. This is the packaging for raindrops. This is the packaging for floral fantasy. Okay, this is showstopper, right? And this is sweet passion. What I will be doing is I will be attaching a picture over here. In that picture you can check out the fragrance notes, that is which fragrance will smell like what exactly, and how you will get the outcome of that particular roller ball. Okay, now since these are the roller balls, definitely you do have to reapply after 3 to 4 hours, and that also depends on the sweat percentage, that is how much you sweat. So like definitely you have to reapply. This is not like 100% like they say perfume, but this will not stay more than 4 to 5 hours. Okay, even I have applied already, and like that is what my experience is. Individually this is for 299. If you will buy all four together, then 897. The net content in each bottle, the rollerball bottle, is 10 ml. This is the glass bottle, and the cap is rose gold kind of, somewhat rose gold finish. Okay, and you can see it is the rollerball. Alright, so this is what basically I have spoken about the packaging and all. Now what I will do is I will just tell you, this is the recent, that is the new raindrops one. On this over here You can get the fragrance name on the bottle also, and this is a glass bottle as I told you. Over here you all can see raindrops one. This is the recent one, and this is their earlier packaging, and now this is the recent packaging. Y'all can see the difference. The content and everything is same. 10 ml, glass bottle, roller ball, everything is same, but this was a huge packaging. That is a bulky packaging. The bottle is this. You all can see I've already used it up little bit. Okay, and this is the recent one. So you all can see. Once again I'll show you. This is the difference. This is the older one, this is the recent one. The older one is little bit darker gold cap. This is a little bit subtle gold color cap. Okay, so this is the packaging of new one. This is the older one. Now I'll just tell you the 4 perfumes name. They are very good names. One is Raindrops, first one. Second one, Raindrops is look like this. It is cool, refreshing and energizing. That is what is written under Raindrops. Then the second one is Floral Fantasy. This will give you fresh, easygoing, bright and fun. That is what the written over here on the back side. This is the second one. The third one is Showstopper. Showstopper. This is the third one. And the fourth one is Sweet Passion. This is the fourth one. Sweet Passion. Okay. Now definitely these are very like sleek. You can easily carry in your pouch, in your sling bag. In fact, you can keep it in your clutch also. If you are carrying some party clutch or something, you are going for some party or something, definitely you can carry this in that. You can just slip it in the clutch and it is very travel friendly. But only thing you need to take care is the glass bottle, that is all. And you can apply on your pulse point. That is what you know, how to apply roller ball. On the pulse point is you just have to apply on the back of your, over here you can apply little bit, and like you can reapply also after 3 to 4 hours, and it will stay for around max to max 4 to 5 hours, not beyond that. So definitely you have to keep on reapplying, because since this is a perfume and this is like mild fragrance, they are not heavily fragrant and all. So definitely, and if you will tell me now, Meghna, what is like the notes and everything, the Raindrops will actually, everyone say that this Raindrop one particular is the rip off of Davidoff Cool Water, but I have not like smelled that particular perfume, so I cannot vouch on that, but definitely lot of people do say this is a rip off. So I am not sure whether it is a rip off of the same fragrance or what exactly, I am not sure. But when you check the packaging, they have given you each and every details on the packaging, and this is halal certified brand, so definitely you can go for it. And what all they have written over here: ideal for seasons of the year, wear it anytime, day or night, great for office and casual wear. That is all. A swipe on the wrist and elbows, a swoosh on the neck, a dab behind the ears, and you are ready for roll. As I told you, behind the ears, over here, you can just apply on your pulse point. And ingredients and everything is given over here. It is no alcohol, parabens and no phthalates. That is what is written over here on the packaging. And like definitely, if you are looking out for some budget friendly perfumes, of course $299 will be, you will say Meghna $299 and just for 10 ml, but you can see the packaging, you can see Iba Halal, plus you can say they don't contain phthalates, they don't contain parabens, they don't contain alcohol, then definitely a yay, because this is a halal certified brand, then definitely you can go for it, and this will suit all skin type. But still, if you have anything like any skin allergy or something, you can just take a little bit, just put it over here. If something irritates or something, then stop using it. Otherwise you can definitely use this, because sometimes perfumes can also create some kind of, they can also cause some kind of allergy or some kind of skin irritation. So definitely you can check in that way. And I think I have covered each and every point, but still, if you have anything to ask me, definitely you can leave a comment in the comment section. And also, if you have any other video suggestions also which you want me to make a video on, definitely that also you can tell me. Look, you can comment down below. I will definitely try to make a video on that also. a few videos earlier I have also uploaded one affordable perfumes video. That video I will be linking up in the I button as well as in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well. And if you are watching till now, that means you are liking my content, then please do consider giving a thumbs up, subscribing my channel. Please do thumbs up, otherwise when you people don't give a thumbs up, the ranking of the videos goes behind, and also it like hampers the analytics and everything. So please do like the video, share the video, and whatever suggestions are there, definitely you can leave a comment in the comment section. And yeah, that is all for today's video. If anything, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.